Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in City West right now, and according to the caption, inside city area. So that's why we're gonna from City West and we'll go back to Perth, which is just one station. Next station, Perth. This train runs from Perth to Midland, stopping at all stations. Right back into the city centre. Heading underground very soon. Not underground, just heading on into a tunnel and then into Perth station. The bus port is next to us. There's the bus port. You can see the cats. Route number 1, that's a cat right there. And Perth doors open on the left. This train will continue its journey on the Midland line. There's a B train to Fremantle, to Fremantle. I just saw that one. B train just passed by Fremantle. Wow, that was awesome. Unfortunately, I didn't get it though. B train to Fremantle, that was awesome. But for that one, it's 3 cars, not 4 cars, because for the sets, it is only for 3 cars for the sets. And I think I actually saw another B train over there. I did. I saw a B train on the Armadale line. Can I get over there on time? I actually want to take it. Let's try to get over there to get that B train. I'll take to Cannington and change. Alright. Perth. There's a train on platform 9. I don't know why, but here we are at Perth. And we're not going to wait for the train to leave. It takes a while, so we end it right here. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys tonight for the premiere. Peace!